If Photopea is saying failed to load file, don't worry. In most cases, this is a browser issue, a file issue, or a simple permission problem, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best fixes step by step so you can get your file open and get back to editing. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, try opening Photopea in Incognito or private mode. This is one of the fastest ways to test whether something in your browser is blocking the file from loading. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, antivirus web shields, or even browser features like Brave Shields can sometimes interfere with Photopea's ability to read local files properly. To do this, open a new Incognito tab on Mac with Command-Shift-N or on Windows with Control-Shift-N. Then go to photopea.com and try opening the file again. If it works in Incognito, that usually means one of your extensions or browser settings is causing the issue. If it still fails, the next thing to try is opening the file through Photopea's file menu instead of dragging and dropping it. Sometimes drag and drop can fail if the browser loses permission or the file access request doesn't go through properly. In Photopea, click File at the top left, then choose Open. After that, use your computer's file picker to browse to the file and select it directly. This often works when drag and drop does not, especially with larger files or files saved from another program. Now let's check the file itself. If the file is damaged, incomplete, or too small, Photopea may not be able to load it at all. Right-click the file and check its properties, or on Mac choose Get Info. Make sure the file size looks normal. If it shows 0 KB, that means there's no data inside it, and it will not open in Photopea or any other editor. If you downloaded it from the cloud, copied it from a USB drive, or received it through email, try moving it to your local desktop or downloads folder first, then open that local copy in Photopea. Files stored directly in Cloud Sync folders sometimes cause loading errors. Another very common fix is clearing your browser site, storage, and cache. Sometimes, Photopea's save site data or an outdated cached script can cause import errors. To do this, click the lock icon next to photopea.com in your browser's address bar, then open Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. Clear the saved data for the site, then reload Photopea. On Mac, use Command-Shift-R for a hard refresh. On Windows, use Control F5. This forces the browser to pull a fresh version of the site instead of using old cached files. If none of that works, try a different browser. Photopea works best in modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Firefox. If one browser is giving you trouble, another browser may open the file without any issues. Also, if your file is a special format like AI, RAW, or TIFF, Photopea may struggle with it, depending on the file. In that case, open it first in a different app like GIMP, Inkscape, or Krita, then export or save it as a standard PSD or PNG, and try again in Photopea. So to quickly recap, test in Incognito, use file open instead of drag and drop, verify the file is valid, clear your site data, and try another browser, or convert the file format if needed. One of those fixes will usually solve the Photopea fail to load file problem. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Photopea tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.